Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. I am back with another hair video, and today I'm collabing with Nadula Hair. They sent me this bomb frontal wig, and I'll be installing it with you guys. I also will be showing y'all my ball cap method, exactly how I do my ball cap method under all my wigs, or mostly my wigs. Y'all have been asking and requesting me to do it, so I am giving it to y'all. Now let's get right into this video. Very easy install, very easy install, y'all. So guys, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Nadula hair. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything, as well as my discount code. Sis, you can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you are interested in shopping with them. But everything will be in the description box, including this wig, their links, their WhatsApp, their Instagram, YouTube, literally everything, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. Hope this video was very helpful for y'all. Hope y'all learned something, especially with the bald cap method. As I say, anytime, I am not a professional. I am learning. Everything is off me, you know, like I learned everything from YouTube. So yes, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed. I will see y'all in my next video.